The logo for the Kansas State School for the Blind, a flying blue eagle in the center of a red and yellow sunflower. The Kansas State School for the Blind presents KSSB's 5-Day Yoga and Mindfulness Challenge, Day 2. This video has audio description and captions. Welcome to Day 2 of the Yoga and Mindfulness Challenge. Yesterday we focused on deep belly breathing. Did you have a chance to use it? A friend of mine, Jane Reardon, taught me this cool breathing technique that she learned in school. She uses it at school and at home. It's called finger breathing. She holds up her left hand and opens her fingers wide like a starfish, with her palm facing to the right. She points her right index finger toward her left hand and places her fingertip at the base of her left thumb, right above her wrist. She then inhales as she slides her finger toward and over the tip of her thumb. Exhales as she slides her index finger down the other side of her thumb towards the base of her left pointer finger. Inhales as she slides her right index finger up the side and over the top of her left index finger. Exhales as she slides her right finger down the other side of her left index finger. Inhale up the middle finger. Exhale down the other side. Inhale up the ring finger. Exhale down. Inhale up the pinky. Exhale back down to the left side of the wrist. It really helps to have a toolbox of strategies to use when you need to calm down your body and your mind. Thank you for that one, Jane. Today we will focus on balance. Let's start in a standing position in the center of your mat. Feet hip-width apart, back straight and tall, arms at your sides with your palms facing forward. You are now in mountain pose, Tadasana. Let's take some belly breaths. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Now lift both arms out to the sides as you inhale, keeping your arms straight and bringing your hands over your head until your hands almost touch. Exhale and lower those straight arms back down to your sides. Once more, inhale and lift your arms up over your head. Exhale, lower your arms back down to your sides. Let's do a standing side bend, Parsva Urdhva Hastasana. Feet are hip-width apart, arms straight and by your sides. Inhale and lift both arms up to the ceiling, arms straight, palms facing. Your right arm stays where it is, straight and over your head. Exhale and lower your left arm to your left side, pressing your palm to your left thigh. Keeping your hips centered over your feet, inhale and slide your left hand down your left leg, pressing into your leg as your right hand reaches slightly over to the left side. Exhale and hold. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and come back to standing in mountain pose, lowering your right arm. Exhale. Inhaling, lift both arms up to the ceiling. Keep your left arm where it is. Exhale and lower your right arm to your right side, palm pressing into your right thigh. Keeping your hips centered over your feet, inhale and slide your right hand down your right leg, pressing into that leg as your left hand reaches slightly over to the right side. Exhale, hold, inhale, exhale. Inhaling, come back to standing in mountain pose and lower your arms. Next, we will move into tree pose, Vrikshasana. Stand on your mat in Tadasana, mountain pose, with your feet together. Flex the muscles in your legs. Imagine your legs are a strong, sturdy tree trunk that does not move. Press your toes into the mat and imagine them rooting your legs into the ground. Shift your weight to your left foot. Turn your right knee out to the right side. Lift your heel. Press your heel toward the inside of your left ankle. The bottoms of your right toes press into the mat, while your right heel presses against your left ankle. If you're comfortable here, continue to stay in this pose. If you would like to challenge yourself a little bit further, slide your right foot up the inside of your left leg, below your knee. You can bring your hands to prayer pose, palms together, fingers pointed up in front of your heart, or lift both arms up to the sky, keeping them straight. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly lower your foot to the floor and lower your arms to your sides. Let's go to the other side. Standing on your mat in Tadasana, mountain pose, with your feet together, flex those muscles, root your legs into the ground. Your legs are a strong, sturdy tree trunk that does not move. Press your toes into the mat. Shift your weight to your right foot. Turn your left knee out to the left side. Lift your heel and press it toward the inside of your right ankle. The bottoms of your left toes press into the mat, while your left heel presses against your right ankle. Again, if you're comfortable here, you can stay right here in this pose. If you want a little bit more of a challenge, slide your left foot up the inside of your right leg, just below your knee. You can bring your hands to prayer pose or lift both arms to the sky, keeping them straight. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly lower your foot to the floor and lower your arms to your sides. You just completed day 2 of the yoga challenge. Thank you for joining me. I wish you a peaceful heart and a calm mind. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. The logo for the Kansas State School for the Blind. Fade to black.